Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the updates. Welcome to my channel. It's been a long time I stopped posting, but now I'm back on my channel again. I have some kind of video on my channel, but now it's satisfied. I can be posting again. So welcome to my channel. If you never subscribe, please subscribe for me, subscribe for your boy. I'm blogging from the Philippines. Well, I was in Nigeria before, but now I'm in the Philippines. I'm blogging from the city of Manila in the Philippines. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, let's cut. Yeah guys, welcome to my channel again. This is my, oh no, let's how introduce yourself. Please, dear young lady, how are you?
I'm good.
You look so beautiful. You look so beautiful this morning.
Oh, thank you so much.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
From Philippines. So can you please tell us your name?
I'm Desiril.
Your son?
Chamaka.
You're Chiamaka?
Chamaka.
Are you Igbo lady? Are you from Nigeria?
Yes.
You're answering Chiamaka. So tell us about Philippines. How is Philippines? How is living in Philippines? How do you see blacks living in Philippines? How do you see it? Tell us.
Philippines are very, very beautiful country. You know, like no other.
Alright. So you love to see black people around the Philippines?
Yes, a lot of, especially African people here in Philippines.
Have you dated a Nigerian or an African before?
Yes.
So your current boyfriend is a Nigerian?
Yes.
From which part of Nigeria? You don't know? So have you been to Nigeria before?
No.
Are you wishing to be to Nigeria?
Yeah, of course.
When? Soon?
Soon.
You said something like, you said that your name is Chiamaka. Chiamaka is an Igbo name in Nigeria. So how come about Chiamaka? How do you answer Chiamaka?
Because I date with a Igbo man.
Date with the Igbo man, you give me Chiamaka? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. We are hoping to see you in Nigeria very soon, so you can blog for us in Nigeria.
Yeah.
So tell us how you, is there any bad influence you're having now about dating Igbo guy? Is there any regret you're having about dating Igbo guy?
No regrets.
Be
Just
free with us.
experience. Even if it didn't work out, then still an experience.
It's an experience.
Yeah.
So you feel comfortable dating Igbo guy? Huh? Okay, this is my first time of posting you on my channel, because I hope next time if I invite you to talk with me on my channel, you can share your views with me, right?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ray. I really appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you.